In 4 is Vince Joseph 46.54. Tushar Manna 46.57 in 5. Vishal TK 47.23 in the semi-final 6. Rehan CH 46.947 and Ankit Pawar of Uttar Pradesh in lane number 8. We got 2 from Uttar Pradesh, 2 from Kerala, 1 Odisha boy, Delhi and Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. The 400 meters, once again, my favorite event. Butch Reynolds. How can you forget the great Michael Johnson? Go back into history. Alberto Monterino was he? 400 and the 800. And there they go now, just one lap. Remember, it's all over in approximately 47-48 seconds. Onto the 200 now, onto the back straight. Difficult to understand because these are the top athletes at the under 23. Mohammad Anas 45.21. Will the national the meet record of 46.58 go down the gun out here at the back there? Just about 200 meters to go. They'll soon come into the home straight. It will then be clear. We've got 4 of them bunched together. It's going to be anyone's game. It's going to be anyone's 400 meters. That's going to be the big one. Look at the lanes now. Look at the inside and the outside. Right in the middle. I think it's Tushar Kantimana of Delhi. He's the one now skating through in lane number 4. And look at him. Look at him there. Rich Joseph was it at the end representing Kerala in lane number 4. Or was it 5? But we'll wait for the confirmation to come up out here. So, yes, that's the way they started. No hiccups like we had in the women's 100 meters. At the back straight, the bunch was not clear. This is where they started to open up. It's a little later at the 200 that they decided. And then at that turn, it was Rins Joseph, Tushar Manna and Ritik Chaudhary. There were 4 of them actually sailing through. And the decision had to be made. Now do I push myself? This is where I suspect it was Rins Joseph. 46.54, he had the best timing in the semi-finals. And he then, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Tushar Kantimana of Delhi, taking that big lead towards the end. And I suspect that's the way he finished. Tushar Kantimana, Rins Joseph, I suspect. So the official result 45.92, better than what he did in the semi-finals. Number 2 is Rins Joseph, 46.71, and Vishal TK of Tamil Nadu, 46.77. Well, looking at this event out here. The Tushar Kantimana in the semi-finals 46.57 and look at that now 45.92. The huge difference semi-final and the final.
Yeah, I mean it's obviously a hard event. I mean it's pretty windy out there.